Come on, man.
हेलो फ्रेंड, चाय पी लो।
Take a bowl and put it on the stove. Then add a small cup of water. Add half tablespoon of tea and 1 tablespoon of sugar. That's what she said. Let him cook now.
Boil it for 2 minutes. Take a small piece of ginger and press it like chikubi.
Oh man, that's what she said.
Now add all pieces to bowl. Boil it.
Add some cardamom seeds.
Add 1 cup of milk. I was not able to find Nami's milk, so I am using Sanade's milk.
Boil it for 4 to 5 minutes. Those guys whose father never came back with milk can never make tea.
I am using tea masala to enhance the taste.
Mixing it very well.
Now the tea is ready. Filter the tea and enjoy it.
घरों में